Hello guys, long time no see. I'm making this video to inform you that I finally fixed the drone. It was not easy sha. Repairing the drone stressed me more than I expected. The part of the drone that got damaged from the crash is the gimbal. I was lucky that at least the body of the drone was fine, if not it would be double wahala. So after repairing the gimbal in Onitsha, it was behaving in an abnormal way. The repairer said it requires advanced calibration using the Python programming software. But unfortunately, his computer was broken, so I had to travel to Lagos for the calibration. I did the calibration in Computer Village, Lagos, and it was successful. I decided to use the opportunity to shoot the University of Lagos for those of you watching my campus tours. Shortly after I started shooting, the school security stopped me. They said I cannot film the school without getting approval from the school authority. I later went to the communication unit office and made inquiries on how to get the approval to film the school, and was told that I will have to write a formal letter which will include the parts of the school that I want to film, the equipment that I will be making use of, and so on. They said I will give them 2 weeks to process the application, and I will also pay a fee to the school before I will be granted permission. I wasn't prepared to stay long in Lagos, and I've already spent a lot of money repairing the drone, so I couldn't film UNILAG proper for you guys. Maybe some other time when I save enough money, I'll try again. I want to thank you guys for your support and concern, because I've gotten calls and comments from some of you to know how I'm doing. Those of you that supported me financially, I thank you so much. Your support really made it easier for me. There's somebody that sent me money anonymously. Please, the person should give me a call so that I will know who you are and thank you properly. I'm back to Anambra State now, and very soon videos will start dropping as usual. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do well to subscribe, okay? See you in my next video.